Hello, Leute. We get this. Today we are going to see what is essential grammar for Goethe A1 writing. You don't need advanced grammar, advanced German grammar for Goethe A1 writing, but you need basic grammar. Okay, so what is it and how to practice it? That we are going to see here. So I'll share one screen with you. Then you will get to know what is the essential German grammar needed for Goethe A1. Okay, right. So now first we'll see a few important verbs. So what are they? Sein is to be. Haben is to have. Arbeiten is to work. Lernen is to learn. So these are the very basic and simple verbs, and their forms or these verbs, they will definitely come in your Goethe A1 writing. Full Goethe only, but now we are talking about writing, so we'll just focus on writing here. Now, how to use these verbs in sentences, that also we are going to see here. Now, sein, we'll see one sentence, example sentence of sein, that is, ich bin Student. Just understand that bin is a form of sein, okay, to be. It is altogether different form, but that is the fact that bin is a form of verb sein. So, ich bin Student. Maybe you can say, du bist ein Lehrer, meaning you are teacher. Like that, it will go. Ich habe Zeit. This is an example of haben. Ich habe Zeit. I have time. So how these verbs we can use in a sentence, that we are going to see here, but very simple sentence. Okay. Ich lerne Deutsch. I learn German. These simple type of sentences are expected in Goethe A1. Okay, just understand this. Then simple connectors, und, aber, weil, right? So these are connectors you can use in a sentence and then you can write it. For example, ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland. Deutschland is Germany. So while is because. These are called as connectors. Und is and. Then while is because. Aber is but. So these are called as connectors and they can be used in a sentence. So, okay, this is a long sentence, but as an exception, you can use this sentence. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Okay, because I want to work in Germany. So this is a sentence. In this, we have used while. So similar to this, you can use und. Und is and. You can join two sentences. Okay, connectors. What are the connectors? Connectors are the words which join two sentences. Then aber, but. That also you can use it. I have just given one example, but you can add your sentences. You can make your own sentences using und, aber, weil. Okay, so it is very, very beneficial in your example. So that is enough grammar to pass A1. Okay, understood? So I hope this is clear with you. Subscribe to my channel if you are preparing for Goethe A1 because I usually come up with this type of videos, exam related videos, and I help you to pass these exams. Okay, so that's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Thank you and bye-bye.